Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today let's unbox the TUNEUP series by Majorette, and this is a series 3. So let's unbox and see what is inside. So a lot of guys are asking for the codes, so I'm just showing it to you guys what I'm actually buying. So this is CWEBK190922, and one more thing you guys need to keep in mind is, in TUNEUP series 3 there are a lot of codes for each car, so it is a bit difficult to find which car comes under which code. So please make a note of this one, and let's see what we are getting today. So here is the body kit. Okay, here is the replaceable hood. I'll just show that to you closer in a minute. Okay, here is the stickers, and that's it, this one. So here is the replaceable hood. If you remember, I unboxed the Dart Charger RT, so it had the same kind of replaceable hood. Okay, here is the body kit. This looks really nice. Okay, let's see what car we got today. Okay, so this is a Toyota GT86, if I'm not wrong. Yes, this is a Toyota GT86. I do have a few more Toyota GT86 with me, which comes under the premium range and deluxe range. I will unbox those things shortly. Just a closer look at the car. And this looks really nice. It doesn't have any openable doors or anything like that, but we can replace this hood here, so we will get to that part in a minute. The wheels are made of plastic in this one, so it's not an ultra rare one. So let's see what this is actually. Okay, this is the one we got, Rally Shocks. So this comes under rare. So we already unboxed this one, if you guys remember, the Nissan GTR Sakura. And this one we also did. So I still didn't get a chance to find this ultra rare one, which is a Nissan Z. Okay, let's put the body kit and see how it looks. Okay, before that, let me show you the chip. Okay, let's remove this. I don't want to break this one, guys, so let me just okay, we got it. So this is how it looks. Let's put on the body kit as well. Hope I did it right. Yeah, that is correct. So this is how it looks with the wide body kit and with the hood replaced. Okay guys, so that's it for today. So if you like my video, hit a thumbs up. If you love my video, subscribe. So it would be great help if you guys subscribe and support me. So consider subscribing. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.